Hello everybody, I want to show you this video how to insert the micro SD card at the Huawei Y7 in the version of 2018. So we need next to the phone and the micro SD card the box, and the box have a pin. If you put it back as you inserted the SIM card, you can remove it like this, like that, and then you are able to remove the pin. Otherwise you could use also the edge of a paper clip. Okay, if you have the phone like this, so this is the front, then you will see on the side the SIM tray. And there's a small hole in here. You enter with the pin, so with the edge of the pin, that small hole, or with the edge of a paper clip, press a bit and the SIM tray will come out. And as you can see, I have one SIM card inserted. Maybe it jumps out also at you. Then just pull it back like this. So missing corner, contacts are below. So this is just a SIM card. Let's add the micro SD card like this, and finally it has to look like that. Of course you can enter also a second SIM card as you want it is possible, and the contacts look like that, so they are always below. Okay, and that's construction you just put back into the phone, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I could help you with it. And yeah, if you want, maybe you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. It's always helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in. Would be a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.